Monday, May 20th, 2024. Good day, everybody. I'm Connor with Honor. We're going to talk about your real estate update. I'm also going to give you a few properties from each of the different categories, single family residences, townhomes, and condominiums that might actually have better prices and might be the next properties that are going to sell in their respective areas. So stay tuned for that. I've been doing some little bit of research and some data mining, and I'm pulling out some very interesting information using technology. So I'll share that with you shortly. But let's talk about the 7-day recap. New listings 73 have been put on the market in the last 7 days in all of the Santa Clarita Valley cities. 55 properties have had their prices changed. 19 properties have entered back on the market. 28 properties have entered into escrow. 69 properties have gone pending. 57 properties actually sold this past week. 3 expired, 8 canceled, 11 put on hold, 4 have been withdrawn. So the single family residences, condominiums, and townhomes, that is all the data that has existed, and that's going on here in the last 7 days. Current listings on the market are 373 active listings on the market in all of Santa Clarita Valley cities. Now, with those, like we talked about, they're single family residences, townhomes, and also condominiums. With this activity, we have these properties with longer than average days on markets. We have one in Valencia that's been on the market for 148 days. It is a 4-bedroom home, but it is priced over $1 million. Those properties tend to last a little bit longer on the market. As far as decreases, we do have a house that was on Paraguay Drive that was reduced very recently, but we've had a multitude of properties that have been experiencing prices changes over the past few months. Sellers are excited to be able to put their property on the market. In some cases, however, they're putting the properties on the market a little too high. Too high meaning it increases their average days on market timeframes, so it holds back from sales for a while until those property prices get into an area where more buyers are seeing them, and then it starts to build steam online and more buyers see it. It starts to become more attractive, and then that particular listing starts to get more activity, and more buyers are then more willing to start writing offers, even if it's a little bit above what the last property sold for, depending on, of course, that time frame as well. So what we did talk about, looking at all of this information and some of the methodology I use, let me give you this. So to identify the most likely properties to sell based on historical sold data, I had to break it down to price per square foot. And what I did is I compared active properties with those that have recently sold. The variables I included were the price per square foot, as I talked about, days on market timeframes, square footage for the residents, and recent price changes. So it's not an exact science, but it was kind of fun. So what had happened was when I did that, we had 5 top Valencia single family homes likely to sell next. I did pull those down. Power Ridge, 2 on Power Ridge, Alpine Meadows, 1 on Irving, and Murata Circulo. Those are the top 5. Top 5 condominiums likely to sell next in Santa Clarita. 1 on Eric Court, 1 on Oak Plain, 1 on Claudette, Valle de Oro, and also Susan Beth Way. Top 5 townhomes to likely sell next. Calle de la Paz in Valencia, Trillium Lane in Valencia, Sanctuary Court in Valencia, Powder Ridge Court in Valencia, Snow Haven Court in Valencia. So the way that these properties' prices are, the price reduction, price per square foot, and value, these seem to be the ones that are going to go next. We will have to watch and see how this happens. Again, I'm looking at some new data out there. I'm very excited about it. I'm Connor with Honor. When you're ready, go to connorwithhonor.com. Lots of real estate guides there. It will help you buyers and sellers make better decisions when it comes to pricing your real estate. And you buyers out there, it's going to help you when you're making offers on real estate. All of these listings you'll be able to pull from the multiple listing service at connorwithhonor.com. You'll see it up at the top. Under home search, you'll be able to see everything that's active on the market for sale. This has been a 7-day recap, of course, a daily real estate show that I produce each and every day here in Santa Clarita Valley. I'll upload it to YouTube, Facebook, everywhere else. Just search, and when you're ready, reach out to me, and I'll be happy to help you through your real estate endeavors. Be well, Santa Clarita and beyond. I'm Connor with Honor. Over and out.